Hey beautiful people, how you doing? And welcome to my channel PYthush. In this video, I am going to make login page UI using Python, and I'm 1000% sure that you're gonna love this video. So before we begin with the video, I hope you subscribe my channel and like the video, and don't forget to share this with all your friends. So let's begin. So let's see how our GUI looks like. So this is it will look like. So let's start coding for that. I'll just cut it here. So I'm using two modules, which is tkinter and PIL. From tkinter I will make a GUI screen, and from PIL we will import the image for the background. So let's start. Like firstly we need to import modules. From tkinter import star, from PIL import image, comma image tk. I'll just increase the size. For now we need to make a GUI screen. For that we need to type root equals to tk and parenthesis, and then root dot geometry, and then parenthesis double inverted commas, type 500 x 400, and now root dot title. My title is login page, and now just type main loop. This is for the completion. When you run this, we got a GUI screen. So let's begin with the front end. I'll just comment out the things so that it will be more readable. Modules to be imported, and now I'll type a code for image in the background. For this you need to type, I'll just comment out first, this code is for image in the background. So let's start. Just type bg equals to image dot open, and then bracket, type the name of the file. Like my image name is anime. I'll just search out here anime dot jpg. So my file name is anime dot jpg. Just copy down that and just paste it here, anime dot jpg. Yes, perfect. And now bg equals to bg dot resize, and double parenthesis, and type 500 comma 500. I have used double because this is a tuple, so I have used resize so that it can match with my GUI, the background. Okay, now we have done this much. Now bg1 equals to image tk dot photo image, and now in the bracket bg, just enter. And now we need to type the code for the blocks and labels. So for that I'll comment out there, these line of codes is for rows label. So for that type with me label and parenthesis root comma image equals to bg1, and now dot grid parenthesis row equals to 0 comma column column equals to 0, and now type label in parenthesis root comma text equals to, this is the title, and my title is PYthush login page, PYthush login page. And now I'll just change the font. Font equals to Algerian. I have used Algerian. Make sure you type the correct spelling, 25, and now dot place and then bracket x equals to 50 comma y equals to, sorry, I'll just x equals to 120 and y equals to 90. Now enter. Again type label, again parenthesis root comma text equals to email or phone, and then colon, and now comma font equals to, I'm using the Comic Sans mark, so its spelling is COMIC SANSMA 15. I just copy this because I have to use this in the other also. The comments are 15, and now comma BG equals to gray, GREY gray, this is for the color, and now dot place bracket x equals to 50 comma y equals to 150. And now again type, now we need to type the entry where we can fill the form. So for that type entry and parenthesis root comma text, sorry, root comma font equals to double inverted commas, type the Comic Sans 15, and now dot place parenthesis x equals to 250 comma y equals to 150. And now label root comma text equals to, text is password, just type password, and then colon, after the comma font equals to double inverted commas, type Comic Sans 15, and comma BG equals to gray dot place is x equals to 50 and y equals to 200. And now entry for this, in parenthesis root comma font equals to double inverted commas, same, just copy here, and now dot place parenthesis x equals to 250 comma y equals to 200. Now just enter, and now the last code of line is for this code is for button submit. Oh, sorry. This code is for submit button. So just type again, this time you have to type button parenthesis root comma text equals to submit, and then comma font equals to Arial. I'm using Arial 15, and comma fg equals to white, WHIT white, and then comma bg equals to my mistake, bg equals to, and this is the code color for gray, sorry, light blue. For this you need to type in the codes. The code is 006080, and now dot place parenthesis x equals to 200 comma y equals to 300, and now we have just done it here, root dot main loop, and our code is complete to run. Now we just need to run this, and you can see, oh, there's some problem with jpg file. Let me just see here, animal.jpg, it's jpg, same here. I'll just need to switch off the kernel console. Sometimes there is mistake in the spider console, so I will prefer you to use PyCharm. So let's run this again, the same mistake, line 11. Let me see, line 11 bg equals to bg dot resize, okay, there is some mistake in my spelling mistake, sorry, resize, and now it is ready for run. And when we run this again, the problem, don't worry, console problem, I'll just switch to this to editor, and now this is gonna work perfectly. Just wait, and now run, and finally we have our PyThush login page system. Now let's just try, like I'll just type PyThush @12345 and anything, gmail.com, and password like anything, and just submit. You can just submit. So thanks for watching, guys, and please like the video and comment your thoughts about my video.